Thank you very much for your interest in Meta-IMU, a shiny application from IMU University. This video will guide you through the installation process. Firstly, ensure your computer has at least 16 GB of RAM. While a system with 8 GB of RAM may run the application, some tasks may be slow or unresponsive. Secondly, this application has been tested on Microsoft Windows or macOS. It may function on other operating systems supported by R&R Studio, but this has not been verified. You will need Microsoft Excel or another program that can edit .csv and .xlsm files. You also need to download and install R&R Studio from this website. Please note that R&R Studio are two different softwares. You need to install both of them. Next, download the latest version of the Meta-IMU zip file from the IMU website. Please ensure that you download the most up-to-date version every time before starting a new project. If you are confused, don't worry. I will demonstrate to you step by step. First, go to your browser and type Meta-IMU. Click into this, and you can see the steps shown here. Follow this link. Now, download and install our download base on your system specs. Install as usual. Since I already have the software installed, I will not go through the entire process. Once R is installed, we will proceed to RStudio. Just install like how you will install for other softwares. Now go back to the IMU website, fill up this part, and click Submit. An email will be sent to you by IMUIRDI. Click on this link to download a zip file. I will put this zip file into my desktop. Now, we are ready to install the application. First, open RStudio. Go to File, and click New Project. Select New Directory, then New Project, and enter a directory name. In this demonstration, I will create a directory known as Meta-IMU Trial. Next, click Browse to choose a location for your directory. In this demonstration, I will put the directory in my desktop. Now, click Create Project. If you choose to put your directory in your desktop, a folder with your chosen name should now be there. Decompress the Meta-IMU zip file and place all the files into your new directory. In the lower right corner of RStudio, click the Files tab to view your directory contents. If it doesn't appear, click on this refresh button and all the files in your directory should appear. Click the app R file to load the script. Sometimes, you may see some notification appear here, asking you to install packages or dependencies. Do install them. Now, click the small arrow beside the Run App button and select Run External. Click Run App, and the application will launch in your web browser. If a Windows appears to ask if you would like to updating loaded packages, choose No. The notification looks like this. Now you have successfully installed and launched the Meta-IMU app. In the side panel, you will see three buttons: Save Inputs and Refresh Page, and Screenshot. Below these, select the type of review you wish to perform. For Systematic Review, select Systematic Review. For an overview of reviews, select Umbrella Review. For network meta-analysis, select Network Meta-Analysis. In the future, even more types of analysis will be available here. Once making your selection, you will find the step selection panels here will change, based on your choice. If you are using other softwares such as Covidence to select and finalize your list of included studies, you can jump straight to Step 3A Option 2. If not, please always start from Step 1. Please follow the steps sequentially, as they are interrelated, and don't skip any steps unless they are labeled as optional. Each step contains an instructional video and stepwise written guides. Whenever you are stuck, please read the instruction or watch the video. If these cannot help you, feel free to contact me. My email is right here. Thank you. We hope you find Meta-IMU valuable for your research.